Hi all. Previously we discussed about financial markets and its components. Today we will discuss about one of the components, that is money market. A segment of the financial market in which financial instruments with high liquidity and short-term maturities are traded. Money markets are for borrowing and lending money for short-term and low-risk securities. Features: the borrowing and lending take place in short-term securities, mostly less than a year. They are less risky and very liquid. Advantages: the risk in this market is much lesser than compared to capital market. Better rate of interest can be obtained. Most money market offers the investor some degree of freedom to make withdrawals. Money market is highly liquid. Money market investment is closest thing to cash on hand. Disadvantages: existence of unorganized money market, absence of integration, and diversity in money rate interest. Money market instruments: treasury bills or T-bills, certificate of deposit or CD, commercial paper or CP, repurchase agreement repo, bankers acceptance. Treasury bills. Treasury bills are also known as T-bills, are security issued by the government. A short-term debt obligation backed by the government with a maturity less than 1 year. T-bills commonly have a maturities of 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. T-bills are issued through a competitive bidding process at a discount from par, which means rather than paying fixed interest payment like conventional bonds, the appreciation of bond provides the return to the holder. Advantages: it is less risky, highly liquid, and no transaction cost. Disadvantages: low interest, less yield. Next, certificate of deposit. Certificate of deposit is also known as CD, is security issued by commercial bank to raise cash for loans and other purposes. It is the savings certificate entitling the bearer to receive interest. A CD bears a maturity date, a specified fixed interest rate, and can be issued in any denomination. The term of a CD generally ranges from 1 month to 5 years. Advantages: the term and amount are flexible, less risky. Disadvantages: no liquidity, low returns. Commercial paper or CP is an unsecured money market instrument issued in the form of a promissory note. These are not usually backed by any form of collaterals and are allowed to be issued only by corporate with high quality debt ratings. Advantages: it is a quick and cost effective way of raising working capital. It provides the exit option to the investors to quit the investment. They are cheaper than bank loan. It has a wide range of maturity. Disadvantages: by issuing commercial paper, the credit available from banks may get reduced. Issue of commercial paper is very closely regulated by the RBI guidelines. Repurchase agreement or repo is a short-term loan much used in the money markets, whereby the seller of a security agrees to buy it back at a specified price and time. The seller pays an interest rate called the repo rate when buying back the securities. Advantages: a repo is a secured loan. They are safe investment because the underlying security has a value in the market which serves as collateral for the transaction. The underlying security is being sold as collateral, hence it serves the purpose for both lender and the borrower. If the borrower defaults to repay, the lender can sell the security. It is secured funding for the lender and easy liquidity for the borrower. Disadvantages: repos are subject to counterparty risk, even though the collateral provides the protection. In case of a counterparty default, the loss is uncertain. It can be determined only after the proceeds generated after the sale of the underlying security, along with its accrued interest, falls below the amount specified in the repurchase agreement. If the counterparty becomes bankrupt or insolvent, the lender may suffer a loss of principal and interest. Next, banker's acceptance. A banker's acceptance is a commercial bank draft requiring the bank to pay the holder of the instrument a specified amount on a specified date which is typically 90 days from the date of issue, but can range from 1 to 180 days. The banker's acceptance is issued at discount and paid in full when it becomes due. The difference between the value at maturity and value when issued is the interest. If the banker's acceptance is presented for payment before the due date, then the amount paid is less by the amount of the interest that would have been earned if held to maturity. Advantages: low financial risk, no advance payment, promotes business growth. Disadvantages: financial analysis. Before bank give its acceptance, the financial statement of the business is deeply analyzed. Then facility is provided to business. Suitability. The banks provide the facilities those business who fulfills the conditions of banks and are profit making business. Collateral. Most of the banks insist on collaterals like movable assets. These are the instruments of money market. We will learn more about these instruments in detail in coming videos. Thank you very much for your time. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.